Hi everyone, this is Infi Desires Doodle, your number one place for doodles, calligraphy, DIY, and hand lettering videos. So today we are going to see part 6 of our doodle series, which is your rain doodles. Let's get started. Now first thing, I've taken a dotted journal. आप कोई भी पेपर ले सकते हैं. Then we'll need a pencil, eraser, and a fine line pen or a sketch pen, and of course colors. So I've taken my Staedtler brush pens. Now यहाँ पे मैंने already sketch out किया है with a pencil, and then I'll be doing border with a fine line pen. So you can go ahead and sketch out, or you can do it along with me and use your sketch pen or fine line pen to do bordering, and then we'll be coloring. So ये हमारा part 6 है. If you haven't checked out the first 5 videos, go check it out. There's a special playlist called Doodle series for beginners on my channel. You can check out all the videos there. ये हमारे special Doodle series का part है. So for rain doodles, I have kept it very simple. Your umbrella, rainbows, colors, there's cloud. I've shown a little bit of, lightning and gumboots. फिर आपको बहुत सारे insects दिखते हैं, like small snails, frogs. You'll see a lot of them. And of course, beautiful greenery whenever there's rainfall or after a rainfall. वो जो खुशबू आती है मिट्टी की, बहुत अमेजिंग लगती है मुझे. Let me know what is your favorite thing about the rains, whether you like rain or not, in the comments below. And thank you so much. Keep watching. I'll play out the rest with the music. Here we are just going to color it out, all our small and special doodles. I hope you like this video. Do share it with all your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching, and please take care, especially more care during this season because there's still COVID around. So I hope everyone takes care and have fun, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and do share my video. Stay healthy, stay safe. I will see you soon in the next video.